Hello, good morning. So last time we have seen multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Now today we are going to study the multiplication of monomial by a polynomial. In that, first binomial and then trinomial. Now in the first topic we have studied two properties. I hope you remember them. First was commutativity. Do you remember that? What was that? A into B is equivalent to B into A. That we are going to use here. So for example, suppose in some cases it may happen that the example given may be like this: 3x plus 5y into 3x. So this is a binomial and monomial. So this is equivalent to this: 3x into 3x plus 5y. Now the second law I am going to use is distributive law. Okay? So distributive law also we are going to use. This distributive law, what it is? A into bracket B plus C, that is equal to A into B plus A into C. You have studied this. I'll explain. We have utilized this. Suppose if I am multiplying it like this: 22 into 104. Now this 104, I can write it like this: 22 into 100 plus 4. So B plus C. So this is A. So then we can use it like this: 22 into 100 plus 22 into 4. Right? And then we can multiply and we can add. Means 22 on the 22. So 2200 plus 88. So it becomes 2288. Okay, so that is what the answer. So this is distributive law and this is commutative property or commutativity, and this is distributivity, if you remember. Okay, so these two laws we are going to use while multiplying a monomial by a binomial and trinomial. Let us try that. So this is example of page number 144. Try this. So this is a monomial, this is a binomial. So use of which law? Yes, distributive law. So what you will do, open the bracket and multiply each term by this monomial. So 2x into 3x plus 2x into 5xy. Okay, now 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square, plus 5 2s are 10. X into x, x square, y. Okay, so what do you get? When I multiply a monomial by a binomial, I get a binomial. Keep this in mind. So second example from this, you will do it as homework. Okay. Now see, this is a trinomial and this is a monomial. Now it is written in the opposite way. First trinomial, then monomial. So we can bring this to this side. Law of commutative property. Okay, or commutative property. So this I can write it as 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Now some may ask, can we not open the bracket and multiply this? You can. It doesn't matter at all. Okay, so because you should not get confused, so I have done this. Otherwise it is not necessary also. You can. Okay. So here, now, what do you do? 3p, open the brackets and multiply. So now we are using the distributive property. Okay. So plus 3p into 5p plus 3p into 7. Now 4 3s are, yes, 12. P into p square, I have told you. PQ, law of indices, right? Now 5 3s are 15. P into p, p square plus 7 3s are 21. 21p. So this is, try these of page number 145. Okay. So there is only one example. So I have done that. Now there are various other types of examples. This is just simple multiplication. But application of that means simplifications. You can use it. Okay. So let us go for few of them and then we will move to the exercise. Now see this, simplify and evaluate. Means first we have to simplify this and then we have to find the value by putting y is equal to -2. Okay. Now here if you see, this is monomial, binomial, monomial, binomial. So we have to first multiply that. Okay. Open the brackets and multiply and then evaluate. Simplify it and then substitute the value of y as -2 and evaluate, that is find the value. Okay. So here, so law of distributivity, so 3y into 2y. Now that is naughty fellow, so we have to be careful. Here it is plus into minus. So 3y into 7. Now here, now some students they do mistake. They take again this minus sign here. Wrong. What I am doing, what we are doing, plus into minus. So here no sign will come along with 7. We have already taken the sign here. Please take note of this. Okay, common mistakes that we do. Same thing here. Again naughty fellow is there. So minus into plus, minus 3 into y. Okay. Then minus into minus plus 3 into 4 and minus 63. Okay. Now 3 2s are 6. Y into y, y square. Okay. Now minus 7 3s are 21y minus 3y plus 12 minus 63. Now we can evaluate. See, these are like terms. These two and these two. So we can add or subtract. Now here. So 6y square minus. So similarity in the sign. Go for, oh yes, addition. So 21 plus 3, 24y. And give the same sign. So minus. Okay. Now here. Plus 12 minus 63. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. Okay. So 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. And give the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 63. What sign it has got? Minus. So minus sign. Do you get it? So we have simplified it. Now we will evaluate. So therefore, when y is equal to -2. Okay. So now 6y square minus 24y minus 51 is equal to 6 into y square यानी -2 का square minus 24 into y यानी -2 and minus 51. Okay. So 6 minus 2 square of negative number is always positive. So 4, 2 square is 4 and minus into minus plus. Okay. Then 24 2s are 48. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Then minus 51. Okay. Now, so first multiplication, 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 48 minus 51. So we can do addition first. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry on. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 72 minus 51. Okay. So 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. So that is the evaluation, or that is the final value of the equation. So this is application. That was simple multiplication, the two examples I took. Now this is application. Same way it can be asked for subtraction, it can be asked for addition. So let us move to the exercise now. Exercise 9.3. Now before going for actual exercise 9.3, I have just taken one example of subtraction. Okay. Addition, it is similar to that. So one of them I am taking, and then I will go for exercise 9.3. So subtract 3pq in bracket p minus q from 2pq in bracket p plus q. So first what we will do, we will simplify this, and then we will go for subtraction. Okay. So first expression is 3pq in bracket p minus q. So use of law of distributivity. Okay. So 3pq into p. Now naughty fellow. So plus into minus. Yes, minus. So 3pq into q. Okay. Don't take this minus sign here. It is already here, present here. So 2 times we are not going to take it. So only while opening the bracket, what we have done, plus into minus, minus. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. P into p, p square q minus 3p q into q, q square. Okay. Now this expression. So 2pq into bracket p plus q. So again 2pq into p plus 2pq into q. Right? Now 2 1s are 2, p into p square q. Okay? Plus 2 1s are 2, pq square. Now what they have said? Subtract this term from this term. So which should be coming first? This term should come first. So now we are going to take this. Okay. Now again here, I am telling you, you can do it horizontally or you can do it vertically. Doesn't matter. Okay. So 2p square q plus 2pq square. This will come first. From this we are supposed to subtract this. Read the question carefully. Minus. So 3p square q minus 3pq square. Now there is no question of like terms. They come below, one below the other. Okay. You can see here. These are like terms. Now we are doing subtraction. So sign changes will take place. So minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay. So write this p square q as it is. Okay. Now see. Plus 2, minus 3. Difference in sign, go for subtraction. So 3 minus 2, 1. Give the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 3. Its sign is minus. So give it minus. Okay. Now here. Plus 2 plus 3. Sign in the circle we are going to take into account. So plus 2 plus 3. Similarity in the sign, go for addition. Give the same sign. So what is the sign here? Plus 3 plus 2, 5. Pq square. So that is what the expected answer is. So this is application. Okay. Now let us move to exercise 9.3. So exercise 9.3, question number 1. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. Okay. So first example I have written on the board. Okay. So this is the first pair given. So 4p into q plus r. Okay. So law of distributivity. Okay. So 4p into q. Now plus into plus is always plus. So 4p into r. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4p cube plus 4 ones are 4, 4pr. That is the answer. Okay. Now next example. Now see third example, a plus b, 7a square b square. Okay. So you can take it in this way, 7a square b square multiplied by a plus b. That will be easy. Okay. Now, so open the brackets and multiply the each term from the bracket. So 7a square b square into a plus 7a square b square into b. Okay. Now there is plus or no worry at all. Okay. Now 7 on the 7, a square into a cube and b square plus 7 on the 7, a square, b square into b, b cube. Okay. So that is what the expected answer is. Now fourth example. So now fourth example, a square minus 9 4a. So even if I write it like this, a square minus 9 into 4a, is the meaning going to change? Not at all. You can use the law of commutativity or directly you can do it. One example I have solved it here. Now here I can solve it in this way. It doesn't matter. See here, 4a into a square. So a square into 4a. Okay, minus into plus. Minus into plus. What it is? Yes, of course, minus 9 into 4a. कुछ बदल गया क्या? कुछ नहीं बदला है. Okay, you will get the same answer. Now, 4 ones are 4. A square into a cube. Then, minus 9 fours are 36. A. That is the answer. Now, let's move to the question number 2. Now see, it is question number 2 is complete the table. Now there are total actually 5 sub questions. So I have taken from that second and fourth. So first expression is given, second expression is given. Direct you are supposed to write the product. So see here, you will multiply each term here by this second term. Okay. So first this x into 5xy. So here there is only 1. So 5 ones are 5. See how I do. Okay, x into x, x square, and y as it is. Okay, now plus into plus, plus. Okay, now 5 ones are 5. There is no x term here. So x as it is. Okay, then y into y, y square. Okay, now comes the naughty fellow, minus. So minus into plus. Yes, of course, minus. Then 5 5s are 25. Now there are no variables. 25 xy. So that is my product. Okay. Now see the fourth example. So 4p square q square, p square minus q square. So now here you can multiply by this to this each term. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. Right. Now, p square into p square. How much? 2 plus 2, 4. So, yani p raised to 4 and q square as it is. Okay. Now, plus into minus. Oh yes. Oh yes, it is minus. Then, 4 ones are 4. Because there is nothing means 1 is there. So, 4 ones are 4. Multiplication of the coefficients and multiplication of the variables. Simple law. Don't forget that. Simple basic. Okay. Now, p square we don't have here. So, p square as it is. And q square into q square. So, that is q raised to 4. Why? 2 plus 2. Law of indices. Okay. So, that is question number 2. Remaining examples of this question 2, you will solve them as homework. Okay. So, now question number 3. Now, see. Find the product. That is the question number 3, and from that I am solving number 2. Okay, 2 upon 3xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. What type of terms they are? This is monomial by monomial. Okay, now we know how to do it. So what to do? 2 upon 3 into xy into minus 9 upon 10, give the bracket, into x square y square. Why I say give the bracket? Because minus sign is there. Now what to do? Bring the coefficients together, multiply them. Bring the variables together, multiply them. Okay, so 2 upon 3 into minus 9 upon 10. Okay, and give one more bracket. So coefficients are separated, right? And into xy into x square y square. Right? Now here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. I can go for cancellation because multiplication is there. Okay, and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so left is what? Minus 3 upon 5. Now see, x square into x. Oh yes, x cube. Y square into y. Oh yes, y cube. And that is what the expected answer is. Now next example. Now see the third example. Minus 10 upon 3 p cube cube into 6 upon 5 p cube cube. Again, if you see, these are monomials. Multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Okay, so what to do? Yes, minus 10 upon 3 into p q cube. Separate the coefficient and variables into 6 upon 5 into p cube cube. Now bring the coefficients together and the variables together. So this will become minus 10 upon 3 into 6 upon 5 into p cube cube into p cube cube. Be aware of the powers when you are writing, because in some cases we make mistakes there. Okay, so we have to be careful. These are easy. These are easy, not difficult, but they are tricky also, because while writing the powers we may make mistake and lose easy marks. Okay, now here cancellation. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now minus 2 into 2, yani 2 2s are 4, and minus into plus minus, so minus 4. Now see, p into p cube. Yes, oh yes, p raised to 4, and q cube into q. Exactly, q raised to 4, right? So that's what the answer is. Now let's move to the question number 4. The remaining examples of question 3rd, you will solve them as homework. Now see, simplify this equation, 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3, and find the values for first x is equal to 3 and then x is equal to half. So let us first simplify this. Now first observe the equation or the expression. Okay, now you can see here monomial binomial. So product of or multiplication of monomial by a binomial. So we need to open the bracket and multiply. Law of distributivity. Okay, so 3x into 4x plus into minus. Okay, so 3x into 5 plus 3. Right? Now 4 3s are 12. X into x, x square minus 5 3s are 15. X plus 3. So that's what we have simplified. Now we are supposed to find the value. So number 1, when x is equal to 3. So value of this equation. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3, that is equal to. Now substitute the value of x. So 12 into x square that is 3 square minus 15 into x, that is 15 into 3 plus 3. Now 3 square, oh yes, 9 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Now 12 9s are, I know the tables, 12 9s are 108 minus 45 plus 3. So I can do this subtraction first. Am I right? Okay. So 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Now 10 minus 4, 6. So 63 plus 3. 63 plus 3, yes, 66. So that is what the value of equation is when x is equal to 3. Now second, when x is equal to half. Okay, now the same equation or the same expression we are going to take 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So that is equal to, now value of x is half. So 12 into half whole square minus 15 into half, value of x is half, plus 3. Okay, now 1 upon 2 whole square means what it will become? Yes, of course, it is 1 upon 4 minus, this will become 15 1 are 15, 15 upon 2 plus 3. Now see here, 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. Okay, so 3 1 are 3, so 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. Now see, 3 plus 3, how much? 6. I can add this first whole number. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6 and this is minus 15 upon 2. Now what can we do? Yes, go for equalization. 6 2s are 12. So 12 minus 15 upon 2. Now 12 minus 15, yes, minus 3 upon 2. That is what the answer is. Okay, so I hope you will solve B example of question number 4 as homework. I believe you have understood this. Okay, now let's move to the question number 5. Now question 5 B, you are supposed to add, but before that you need to simplify this. So first we will simplify them and then add them. Okay, so first what I will do, 2x z minus x minus y, that is equal to, so monomial by trinomial. Okay, so 2x into z plus into minus minus 2x into x plus into minus minus, so 2x into y. Okay, so that is equal to 2xz minus 2x into x is x square minus 2xy. So this is the simplified form. Now second expression, so 2y into z minus y minus x. Okay, now so first open the bracket and multiply 2y into z plus into minus minus 2y into y plus into minus minus 2y into x. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, so 2yz plus into minus minus, okay, 2y square, okay, minus 2yx. Now we can add them. Okay, so adding, you can take any term first. So 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. So I am adding vertically. You can add them horizontally, doesn't matter. Now 2yz, I don't have that term. Okay, then so plus, I write here plus 2yz. Okay, then minus 2y square, I don't have. Okay, so minus 2y square, and then I have got minus 2yx. Yx means xy, so that will come here, minus 2xy. This I have written in this way, xy. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So x into y or y into x, doesn't matter. So they are same. Okay, now addition. So my answer is 2xz minus 2x square. Now similarity in the sign, go by addition. So 4xy and give the same sign, plus 2yz minus 2y square. That is what the answer is. Okay, now one more example of subtraction that I will solve. Now see, subtract 3L in bracket L minus 4M plus 5N from 4L in bracket 10N minus 3M plus 2L. So first we will simplify them and keep this in mind. This expression is to be subtracted from this. Okay, so we will first simplify them. Now this is multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. Remember that. Okay, so open the brackets. So 3L into L plus into minus minus 3L into 4M plus into plus plus 3L into 5N. Okay, now 3 ones are 3, L into L, L square, minus 4 3s are 12, LM, plus 5 3s are 15, LN. Okay, then this 4L into bracket 10N minus 3M plus 2L. Now again it is monomial by trinomial multiplication. So open it. So 4L into 10N plus into minus minus 4L into 3M plus into plus plus 4L into 2L. Okay, now 10 4s are 40 Ln minus 4 3s are 12 Lm plus 4 2s are 8 L into L, L square. Now first expression is to be subtracted from the second expression. So which should come first? Obviously second one. So this will come first. So 40 Ln minus 12 Lm plus 8 L square. We are going to subtract. Okay. So 3L square. L square hai kya hai? What it is? Plus. So I am going to write plus L square. Okay. Then minus 12 Lm. So here it is. Minus 12 Lm. Okay. Then plus 15 Ln. So here. So 15 Ln. Now sign changes will take place because it is subtraction. So minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus. Okay, now ln as it is. Now plus 40 minus 15. So subtraction, difference in sign. Okay, so 40 minus 15, that is 25. Okay, give the sign of bigger number, that is plus. Then here minus 12 plus 12, difference in sign, go for subtraction. So it will come 0, cancel them. Okay, and plus 8 minus 3. Okay, so here it will be 0 plus 8 minus 3. So what it will be? Subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, and sign of bigger number, plus. Okay, and L square. So what is the answer? 25 ln plus 5L square. Now I have shown here 0. Do you need to show? If you show this direct cancellation, and if you don't show 0, will do. Okay, so the remaining examples you will solve them as homework of question number 5 also. A and D, B and C I have solved. Okay, so I will write the homework on the board here, and so that you will come to know. Now see, this is the homework. Try this. Second example, page 144. Question 1, second and fourth. Question 2, 1, 3, 5. Question 3, 1 and 4. Question 4B and question 5A and D of exercise 9.3. So dear students, please go through this. I hope whatever I have taken you have understood, and what I feel that many of them, nearly 25 students, I have not seen the last video. This should not happen because this is the basic of 9th and 10th. So if you don't understand this, you will find it difficult in 10th standard. So please go through this, and if there are any doubts, you can definitely contact me, call me and clear your difficulties. So let us stop here and meet in my next period. Till then, goodbye.